CHNR just took one more dump. So maybe it will be ALLR. ALLR seems a little bit more promising. Gotta switch this to time and force day so I can get my orders to go through. Go down to 400 shares just for the heck of it. A 3-penny pop. Yeah, filled. That's a nice pop here. Halt up is 98 on this. Wow. I got FOMO'd into that one. Oh. That didn't last long. Wow. That's not pretty at all. Hold down 265. We got intense selling on this. I missed the entry on that. That's embarrassing. Regret this trade with all my soul. That was an interesting pop. Interesting. Now I don't. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna bail right there. I maybe can hold, but it just seems so wild. Ugh. See, I sold out at 27. We ran to 33. I probably should have taken it. I thought we might get a squeeze up to high day. It was definitely being jerked around by bigger buyers and sellers. All right, let's see what it wants to do. Hard to know what it wants to do because it's just all over the place. So, you know how it goes with these ones. Let's see what it maybe it pulls back here a little bit more. This could really dump here. Wow. Fills are not favorable on this at all. Anything else hitting scanners? Tup. That seems like a desperate. What does this look like? And both these options are kind of not the best. You gotta be careful. Oh, it did rip up. I'd like to see volume come in somewhere. There's a scanner. Top. No, top. I was in for the right trade down here. I just don't even see CHNR moving. A little bummed because this did work, but man, this is not ideal trading at all. Super high red volume on the 5-minute candle. This will probably likely come down here unless something else happens. Which, wow, looks like something else happened. That's impressive. Wow. Can't hardly get a good fill. Should have just held my order at 32. Kind of missing out on this rush here. It's too bad. Sucks. Buy high on a weak stock. 250. That's what you get for buying high. That hurts a little bit. It hurts just a little bit. I totally could have made something on that. 250 in the hole. We'll take a stab here. Try to sell in increments or something. There's so not enough volume. Look at that. As soon as I put my order up there, we're back down. There we go. Yeah, again, just selling increments on this one. Okay. No, that's $200 there. Yeah, ALR has some room to move. So, and that goes off of the daily chart setup that I see. which is members probably know, but we get up to where Philly cheese is talking about. We're definitely gonna get that move here. So that's kind of what's holding this one together. I'm sure there's a lot of people that don't want it to go there, but there's going to be quite a few people that are going to want it to go there, and the crowd might want it to go there. To go there, to go there. Yeah, I had a pretty good weekend. I don't know. I have to look at that 5-minute. Let's see. Hold down is 260. Well, we get a hold down. We got a big bid here. Gotta cut it. Wow. It's tricky. That was definitely an aggressive trade. I gotta wait for something like really obvious. That's $100 loss. I thought we could get the curl right here. Gotta be patient. Gotta wait for something a little bit cleaner. CHNR, I'm not really looking at it. It's down at 250. Top. It's a continuation play. I don't know. This thing looks like it needs to come down. We just don't have the buyers. So we're gonna watch. We're gonna look for probably a dip. Something. This is a nice move here. 314 to 340. So it has range. That's nice. There's a lot of hidden buyers here, which makes it kind of hard to know where the support really is. I've seen a few hidden buyers. I mean, there's always hidden buyers. There's always hidden sellers on every stock, really. So we attempted to curl here. Now we're rolling away on the opposite direction. We'll see where this one wants to go. Is this a 5-minute chart? Yeah, that's a 5-minute chart. 1 minute. Minute 15 is the next 5-minute. I don't know if you guys see anything else. For now, I'm going to focus on this one because we have a little bit of something. Oh man, that's not good. Oh, I'm just gonna dump it. Should have went. It like kind of had its chance to go, and it just didn't. Up is coming up. I don't know. That might be the ticket today. That might just be the ticket. Is anybody trained Tup? I think Tup's gonna be my next attempt. I'm glad I bailed on this. 17, 18, 18, 19, 20. And just GRDX. This one looks like it's done. Goodness. Now I have to get to Tup. You can tell it's a hidden seller. He's not budging. It's like 6 different hidden sellers. I gotta cut it and be done with this one. That's too bad. I really thought we could get something going with that one. That's too bad. That's too bad. What's the float on Tub? It's just not even fun trading. It's so hard to get filled. No, Tup's got a daily set up here a little bit. 377. I did not really mean to buy there. Might work out, but I was not intending to buy there. I'm gonna cut it. I gotta verify what the flow is on Tup. Okay, well, give me this. Oh, 14 million? Okay. No, wait, no. That's not right. Why does it keep doing that? $35 million. It's a little higher flow, but not the worst in the world. Well, now it's taking a sharp decline here. Wow, it's just sitting there. Imagine that this would be support here. Could be wrong. What? I sold it for a little gain, but wow. It's just one of those days. How much am I red? 180 on this? Oh, we can try this one. I guess ALLR is not the worst. Yeah, no, it was pretty close to the worst. A lot of big. There's a big seller there at 324. I don't know if he's going to cause issues. I'll take a stab here. It's a higher float. Wow. It's going nowhere. This is really scraping the bottom of the barrel here. I thought Tup was going to be better. Let's see. We'll watch it if it starts to get up towards high day. Now ALLR is still an interesting ticker because of the daily chart. Unfortunately, all we've done is sold off, but had we gotten up just a little bit higher, closer to 4, we have this huge opportunity to go from 4 to 6. So I don't know if people are trying to hold it down because they don't want it to hit that gap. That may be the case. It's tough to know, really. Top is whatever. Mm-mm-mm. 27 likes already, guys. Let's shoot for 30. I know we can do 30, so that's probably too conservative. CHNR doesn't look that good. It's the last day of the month, so let's not forget. Top, I could see maybe a double bottom entry. It's just hard to get aggressive on a day where it's like things are not really looking good. So this is the kind of day where you need to get aggressive and you see a good pattern because that might be the only pattern. But it's I've done it both ways. Yeah, it's kind of a day where if you shut down here now, it's probably not the wrong thing to do. It's probably not a bad decision. If you stick around and you get aggressive on a good trade, then boom, you could be up a good amount. In fact, here you go. Just a little bit slower pattern recognition here. See if we get a continuation, which would be, in a hot market, this would already have gone up, but Man, we're just stalling here at 325. Hidden seller, obviously, soaking up shares. Just going to cut it there at 24 for a loss, it looks like. I mean, ALLR could. I don't see a high chance of it. We could get a squeeze on it. This is ambitious. Taking a bigger position here, but this is that kind of that one pattern. Could flush here on me hard, but I'm hoping it holds. Smoked. Oh, maybe not. Come on, accelerate. Here we go. All right, I just took it. I was expecting a more of a pop there. It's done. There's not a lot of liquidity on this one, so I'm not getting, you know, not getting these amazing fills or anything. I'll watch this seller at 325 to see if we get back up to VWAP, maybe 328. It might not be bad. There's just a lot of sellers stacked on this. A lot of sellers stacked on this one. Yell? Okay, yum. Let's shake it. It's not really meeting my favorite criteria, but it's $1.24. Halted now. Could be unhalted soon. I just see, I can tell you right now, look at the price ladder. This is partly why I don't like these stocks, is because of the price ladder. Which is not a hard thing to fix. I can just change the frequency here. FW's FWAC. Yeah, I'll take a look at it. Yeah, good thing I took my profit. Had just a little spike there. 306. 306. Looks like I got out 306 and a half. Man, it's tough. Tough day out there. Yeah, I'm not up to date with all the drama. Are you just waking up? Time to wake up? I gotta take Chickly Bear to the airport today. She's gotta go back to work. I'm gonna stay on the farm for a little bit. Top had a nice little V pattern here. I don't know if we're gonna get that again. I feel like ALLR is a stock that I got smoked on in March. So, although, what was that? Although, don't look at that. That's not good. 3 top. I could see a double bottom here. Oh, there we go. I don't know, guys. The only reason is I swore to never trade these types of stocks anymore. Well, the people are saying it's a good stock. I have to trade it. FOMO. It is good. It's just not my price. I'll take a stab there with small size, and then I'll take a loss. No, well, it looks like I got a little bit. There's 20 bucks. Oh, the frequency just changed on it. Okay. You have to take this one a little bit more seriously. Halt up at 44. We're extended here, though. We're extended there. Wow. Key game stuck back to that one. Wow, that was a nice room. 23. Yep. Yo. Let's look at the daily chart in this quick. 37. I'll probably break 47. What's the news on it? News. Ah, man. It's just not my price, man. Really. Okay. I guess we'll take a stab here. Wow. Bought high. That was foolish. Gotta cut it. Hopefully I get out with a little bit. It's hard with these. They have the fractions here. It went away for a second, then it came back. I don't know what. It's the deciding factor for when that goes away. Lost about 90 bucks on the last trade. It feels top heavy. It's just at risk for a kind of a drop, in my opinion. The breakthrough 47 was the key level. ALLR just came out of nowhere. Look at how much I had to crunch yell to get any sort of clear level 2, and look at how it's literally so crunched on there. Oh wow. Like I don't know. I think I'm just gonna walk away from that one, guys. It doesn't meet my criteria, and that's just gonna be a discipline thing on my end. So the lesson to learn from that is maybe not to. You can trade this kind of stock. I just know that it doesn't fit my criteria for the type of stocks I want to trade. Now, if it gets up to 2 and it starts going parabolic, okay. But for now, I just am not feeling it. Certainly not right now where it's like pegged to the halt level or whatever. So Tup made a nice clean rebound. Let me open this back up from the jacked up. Wait at it. That's a nice rebound. Could have been there for that. ALLR has got a 5-minute rebound going on. We'll see. If Yale starts getting closer to $2, I'm going to pay attention to it. I mean, it's hot. It's strong. No question about it, guys. Just don't think it's for me right now. Certainly not when it has all these freaking decimals or fractional shares. Or not fractional shares. God, what do you call this when it goes like that? It's trading to 100th of a penny, I think is what you call it. So TUP, maybe ALLR. I like ALLR has been not too bad to me. I mean, it's not oversell it, but at least got a little bit of profit on it. Up 200 on the day, just enough to buy the girl some lunch. But gonna pay any sort of Lamborghini bill. Saying Lamborghini money here. Let's watch this. I think it's gonna come down more. I wouldn't mind trying to get another drop on this puppy. I'm sure some traders are killing it on Yell. Sure they are. Yeah, that's a good goal. Let's see if we can get more likes than Relentless Trader. You think we could do it? 31 likes. We got a ways to go, but do it. So I got a little bit of support here. 5 minute. I'd rather wait for the next 5 minute. I think. Oh, Dennis, you can see my live every day here. We got Mondays and Wednesdays for. Oh shoot, I'm missing this. Mondays and Wednesdays for sure free. Fridays are wild card. So those are for now. We're doing a lot of Fridays, but if you want to get in and join, you go through YouTube on your desktop. It's $50. Cancel anytime, and you also get access to the member-only classes, which in itself is definitely worth $50 if you just want to get in here and grind through about 4 hours of pretty much explaining everything behind the scenes. Plus, you get all the archives and live trading uninterrupted. So there's no big one-time payment. I know the way it works is a lot of these trading gurus like myself, which I don't call myself a trading guru, but they will charge a large one-time fee because they know most people will not succeed. Let's just say it straight. Most people will not succeed, mostly because they either give up, they stop waking up to trade, or they mismanage their risk. They start with real money too soon, and then they lose. That's why you got to start in a simulator. But anyway, check that out if you want. We're watching ALLR here. Nice little pop off of 297. If you hit one of these with good size, you can get a fairly reliable move. Maybe 5 cents on 20,000 shares. You're talking $1,000. Theoretically, unfortunately, with this ticker, we're not getting a lot of liquidity. So it's. Are you seriously farting back there? Well, they're see, it's tough. I see Tup going here. I think Tup came alive. Let's mess around with Tup a little bit. Target would be the break of this pivot here. We'll keep ALLR in the back of our mind, but I'd like to see it get up to 320 there, which it looks like it could. High here is 357. We definitely got some daily chart setups on Tup, which I think could carry us up. But unfortunately, I missed kind of these are one really great pattern here, another really great pattern here. So that's two great patterns in a row, and I missed them. buying here would be. I don't think it would be a fantastic decision. And YouTube, you want in? Yeah, you can have in. You can have in on YouTube. It's a pullback here. It's a possible entry, but let's look at the 5-minute. This finally has changed. No, it hasn't changed yet. It's still trading to 1/100th of a penny. It's not my jam. Not my jam. LLR, no. A little bit of a bottoming tail here. I guess I should be getting more aggressive on these bottoming tails. We'll watch this seller at 31. See if he cracks. I am, in fact, green on every ticker, but not with much profit. Better go check on my dad and make sure he's not blowing up his account. Down 7. Cutting it, unless I mean Tup is got a little something. You could. I would say probably wait. It's tough. It's a little pop here, but I think I've decided that Tup's it. But look at Tup's volume profile on the 1 minute. What's the dominant color? What conclusions can we make? Nothing is for certain. Nothing is for certain, but let's take a look at this volume profile here on the 1 minute. The 5 minute, it's actually a little bit better, actually. The 1 minute looks terrible. I'm just going to take a Hail Mary pass here. See if we get a pop up to 36. See if I get 2 pennies out of this. Just nothing. Big seller there. That's probably going to tip it below 34. Could get a nice breakout at a high day here. That's kind of what we're pushing for. There's 35. Big seller. Let's see if he cracks. If he cracks, we'll jump in. Jump in to see if we get a little push. Okay, we got to see volume come in. 336, 330, 375. No, that's not. That's going the wrong way. Oh, wow. Wow, there. We go. We got action here, boys. I'm afraid we're gonna get dumped here. Gotta wait for a red candle. It worked. Who would have thought? See what this wants to do. Guess we'll take that. Probably should have held it. It's a higher float, so some of these bigger sellers are not as much of an issue because there's a little bit more volume, a little bit more liquidity. It's starting to open up here. We're getting a little something on top. And maybe wait for a pullback, Dad. Could get a breakout, but looking like a topping tail here. There you go, K-dubs. I'm small green as well. 357 is that key level that we're most likely going to break. It's just a matter of when's it going to break. Take a risky trade here, see if we pop up. Foolish. Well, it's pegging it up. These are not good trades up here. Okay. I don't know. It's holding up here. But in a lower float, it should have already went. This is risky. Yeah, I'm just going to dump it right there and wait for a pullback like I told myself to do. I probably should have bought that. I bet you we're going to get a little extended pullback here. Yeah. Careful, that 5 minutes looking bad, but possible entry here. Not going to add to it. I'm just going to try to hold it. I'm kind of bought late. Really? You would expect it to have gone up there. It's fighting, but it ain't pretty. Yeah, I'm going to dip on it. Should have bought what I thought was going to be the entry. These higher floats can be a little tricky. Sellers are stacked here. Break at 355 is the target. There's the break at 355. Breakout probably up, who knows how far. Buy that micro dip for a continuation up to 370. Yeah. That was a pretty good. Head back small on that little micro dip. Now we can wait for another pullback. The first pullback. Oh, you're out of time. Yeah, I gotta wait for a pullback here. Wow, totally missed out on this. I don't know, taking the 10 here. Sold for a penny. So we're up almost 2,000 on the day now. We have 37 likes. Appreciate it. Good deal. Good deal. Nice push on top. I'm a little worried about how high it is. It's extended. It's extended. You just gotta be a little careful. Ah, shit about that dip. I missed it. I'll buy it there a little late and see if we get something here. Likely won't. I guess we might get something. Tried to hold this back up to 3. I gotta cut it there and it's starting to slip. It's gonna be 5 bit of pullback, it looks like. I had a nice little breakout, so no surprise we're getting a rebound here. Ah, man. Yep. Oh, then it goes. Then it does. Tricky little bugger. sell at 65 and then it comes up. Got quite a bit of selling pressure here. It's got me a little nervous. That'd be buying high. Five minutes coming up a little bit. Trying to wait for some kind of clear entry. Buy high there again. I'll add there. It's in a little high. Looks like it wants to go here, but till it does. Break at 384. Are you kidding me? Could reverse here. I kind of already missed the bulk of this trade, unfortunately. Break at 384. Maybe a tap to 4. Wow, quick reversal there. That was kind of a quick return. Excuse me. It's a risky trade, so I took it with 900. I should have done that better. I don't know. It's kind of done a lot of these pullbacks. This one might be the one that tricks you. Gotta cut it. It's too bad. Is that another loss? Yeah, it was just a tiny loss. I'm gonna wait for it to pull back more. We attempted here, but again, I'm just feeling like this pullback here is going to be a little bit more of a sell-off. I could be wrong. I mean, that's not to say we're not going to get a little pop or attempt. You got such a big bid there, but I think he's going to crack. I don't like how it disappears there. Yeah, he's starting to crack. Yeah, he's cracking. I'm going to get out there. I'm going to stick with my thesis that this might be last. Figured. It was looking good with that bottoming tail. See, hold down 340. That's good, KW. Juan, are you on GDRX? Is that a good one? Oh wow, that's annoying. Golly. That was kind of the attempt up. 371. Yeah, it's 10 cents. It's looking pretty weak here. I was trading higher. I was trading lower. So that is not a good sign when the red candle completely engulfs the green candle. Really, it's just not worth buying it here for me. Jiggly poo. What? Yeah, we can do that. Make sure you don't change in here. I'm just saying before you start to strip. I'm sure I'd get a lot of views, but I don't want to get flagged. Feel like this is gonna come down again. Just waiting for a low risk opportunity. We had 38 likes, but then someone disliked it, or somebody unliked it. That hurts. That hurts, man. What does it want to do here? I don't know. This thing, it's kind of on a selling escapade. It's a bear flag too on the 1 minute, and it's a 5 minute. Yeah, so nothing's aligning there. There we go. Thank you, Los Satos. Here's the deal with this one. We're gonna wait. We're gonna let the bears have their turn. It's a bearish pattern. It's bearish everything. So let the bears have their pattern, and then let's see if we can catch them where they cover. There's gonna be another big green candle on this at some point today. It's just whether I can catch it. Can I catch it with 9,000 shares? Get me up to over 2,000 on the day. I don't know. 357 is that key level, so that could be support. That could be a decent area to take a stab. Say my name, say my name. Okay, we got something here. I kind of missed the entry on that. Take a little bit of risk here up high. See how high this goes. This could continue up to 375 with how strong it's been. Sell a little bit there. I didn't catch the full pop with my other 4,500. I'm gonna try to do. Popping up to these levels where we're not getting sustained bid support. It looks like the sellers are stacking there. I'm gonna take that. Just get out. Appreciate it. I love that you love this channel. Why would I not love that? I love it. Looks like we might continue higher and maybe sold out. I just was protecting profits. I sold out at 370. You know, there's 5 cents. So it's a little bit of a bummer, but I think when it comes to trading these cheap stocks, I don't know if there's such a thing as selling too soon. Well, it depends on where you're selling. I mean, If the pattern's really good, it's a really strong stock, and you're selling before the apex point, then that's a mistake. And we talked about that in the member discussion classes, where I'm looking to take profits, where the apex point is, and we can go back over that again because you want to sell at the apex point. Sometimes it's better just to get in and get back out again. So some trades I'll hold for a minute or two. Some trades I hold for a second or two. So I get asked that question, oh, how long do you hold your trades? Well, it depends. Depends on the kind of pattern, what entry I'm in, what kind of stock, my intuition. So there is no one number. I will say that I don't really hold patterns longer than 10 minutes ever. The only times I've ever held patterns longer than 5 to 10 minutes is when it's a losing trade and I'm just desperate for a miracle. And so that's just not the right way to go about it. Got a little bit of pullback here. I just don't like the look of it. Maybe I'll take it with 2,700. I'll take a stab there at 74. Let's see if we get 77. There's 77. It is working. I don't know if I could be getting back to high day here. I do got to take the girlfriend to the airport and in about 10, 20 minutes. So it's like I'm just trying to scrape a little bit extra money together. But again, the break of 338, 388 is on the table here. Watching that seller. We might get a lot of resistance here. Looks like we broke through it, so let's try to hold for that high day push. It's a higher entry, so I'm trying to hold for that high day push, see if we accelerate up there. We might reverse there, so I'm just gonna dump. Should plug my phone in. Get there in plenty of time. I just don't want you sitting in the airport for an hour or two.
No, I'm not going to. I need to get to the airport by like 11:50.
What time does your plane leave?
1:30. Board at 12:40.
You're fine. Trust me. But you can get there at 12:40. We could get there at 12:30, and you would have plenty of time because it takes about 5 minutes to go through security.
I have to check my bag.
Okay.
But it's still not that big of an airport. I can't imagine checking my bag.
No, but I have seen a little bit longer lines sometimes for check bags. But everybody has checked bags, usually gets there early, so even if you show up late, you get no line because no one's showing up late. Whatever you want. Your wish is my command. That goes out for members as well. KW, Juan, Bill Lewis, Philly Cheese, Twin. I didn't see you, Twin. Good morning, Twin. We've been talking, Twin. Somebody was saying they wanted to do a one-on-one. I think it was Twin. Twin, if you're listening now, we need to set that up. I forgot what you said. Someone else said, shoot, I promised a lot of people stuff. I'm sorry, members. We'll get to it. I think there's another member that wanted to meet today. SC was wanting to meet. Well, SC, what's your schedule for this afternoon? What's your schedule for tonight? Because I got to take this baby girl to the airport. I didn't. I totally forgot when I promised you Monday. Bill. Yeah, it's starting to. There's. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be laughing, but yeah, we need to do it. I'm gonna when I get back from the airport. Where's a sticky note? I need a sticky note, honey. Mind. I just put my phone away. Here's a sticky note. I need to get some sticky notes out here for these members.
Use your email calendar or something.
Hold on, there's a great pattern. When you rush into trades like that, you usually get obliterated. It's in my favor, so I'm holding. Frick. Don't flush. It's clear support. Come on, baby. Give us a pop. Where's the buyers? Oh, no. I took a loss on it. That hurts. Bozo decision. Decisioso. I should have just taken the 3 cents. That's too bad.
What am I supposed to do with them?
Wow. All right, I see. So where's my notes? I got my Crayola pack here.
Are you serious?
Got Twin. We got SC. We got Bill. Maybe Juan. I'll put Juan down low. I don't think he ever. I did talk with Juan business. That sucks. I don't like to see my profits go down. But I rushed into. Here it goes. Freaking A, man. If I get a dip, let's try that. Let's try that 68. Big seller. Oh, did I lose on that? Yeah, I lost half a penny. Lost 20 bucks. Well. Oh, wow. Wow. Are you kidding me? Oh, it did end up going nicely, and we got a big bid. That sucks. Just a little early for the pivot. That's all right. Well, I'm simply out of time, and I would have to wait for another entry. Certainly, this unfortunately would have worked out, but just the timing was a little off. That last trade I was in got out at 68, 71. Oh well, Tup has been good. Tup has been good, and I'm it's a 5-minute bull flag, so there's that. Don't tell me this thing's gonna do this. We got a relatively big bid, kind of walking it up.
I should try. Yeah.
That's too bad. It hurts. It sucks to end on a bad note, but I'm right at $2,005. So about 200 and then 250. Probably about $250 off my high. Yeah, I gotta shut down. So, anyways, members will be in talks. We need to get that done. I overpromised for Monday.
That is hilarious.
Day ever, 4,400.
Kim, best day ever. Let's fucking go.
Drew, 3.4K.
Drew absolutely killing it with the iPad.
Marcelo, 33.
Marcelo just woke the fuck up. He's sitting on the couch. Where's his laptop and monitor? 3,200. Let's go, boys.
200. And the pastor.
And the pastor, the man of God, the administrator of the Eucharist. 2,500 on the day. Let's fucking go. The relentless trade. I do apologize for I forgot there was profanity, but yeah, the video has been going crazy, and there's a ton of people like this reacting to it. But you know what all of this is to say, like what we're doing here every day, you know, we cannot take for granted. Even if we're not profitable yet, you know, even if we're red, even if we're going through the struggle, you know, we cannot take it for granted. You know, being able to come in here every day and give ourselves a legit chance at something great, I think that's all we can really ask for, right? So, you know, it comes down to then, you know, putting in our best effort. You know, each and every day, can we put in the work? Can we do everything that is absolutely in our power and necessary to try to give ourselves a good chance at being successful? You know, not cheating the game, but going all out. You know, how many people studied over the weekend? How many people actually went through charting? You know, how many people are showing up every day? How many people are being punctual? You know, how often are you coming in, and what are you doing differently over time? What changes are you making? How are you adjusting? Are you making adjustments? Are you deep diving into your metrics? You know, are you using Excel or any sort of software out there to track your trading? Are you screen recording your trades? Are you reviewing? Are you reaching out for help? You know, are you a part of a community, right, that is doing what you want to do? You know, are you following something that makes sense, that works, that's credible? So, you know, again, let's make sure we put in the work. Let's make sure we do everything that's absolutely necessary to be able to become a profitable trader. We know it's not guaranteed, but there are people like myself, Marcelo, you know, you guys saw the video, Save, Crispy, right? There's people out here who are doing it. There's people in other communities doing it. There's people out there trading large caps, options, different ways of doing it. So, you know, hopefully you guys can put in the work that's necessary and see some success. So TUP, let's go, TUP. I missed two winning trades there, kind of trying to get acquainted. Well, let's see what it does. There's a lot of buyers here coming in at 4. I definitely need to be more aggressive too. So let's see if it does give a new high. Or will we break down below 4 first? Well, there's a ton of buyers there. So are they going to continue to buy or are we going to pull back? I got to take off the chime because I did turn up the volume and messed with the audio a little bit. Oh my gosh. It's actually not bad. But the drop could be crazy. 97. We should see a push over 10 at this rate. It's actually pretty good. It's actually really good. Time, candle's about to close, 15 seconds. Come on. It should be pushing 15, 20, 25. It has the potential. Hey, I don't mind taking the 20 bucks at a time, alright? But I'd love to see some more separation though. Honestly, down at $5, down at $4. Jeez, that I wish I could kind of go back. That was so good, man. Every time it went to 4, it just bounced up 5, 10 cents every time, like 5 times straight. All right, so lows at 08. YELL might not be finished, but maybe it's an afternoon stock. Come on, come on. Delayed, delayed. Such a delayed bounce right there. Sellers are getting bought up, buyers are coming in. But, you know, again, it's this slow kind of back and forth with small dips. So I think just taking the small couple of cents for me might just be the best way here. I think there's a bid. There's a small bid. Or maybe not, no. I thought there was a bid. Can we break down these sellers? No, not quite. It's trying for that new high of day.
ACAXU.
There's no way I should have had a high fill there. Let's see 35 out of this. 24. Where are those bulls? Where are those bulls? 30. Alright, maybe the breakout trades might not be the best. 30, 31, not quite 35. You just have to, it's like there's some small pullback trades that are like working. The high of day trades not so much because they're not pulling away by a lot. It's only like a 5-cent breakout, 3-cent breakout at a time. Oh, 195 is not bad, but it's also not great. $4 bounce, that range, man, that bounce that we were seeing. 33. $20,000 share buyer at 30, just sitting. 100,000 share seller again, or getting bought up, which is good. So the stock is just pushing through. Second one, so there's some big sellers here. Big shares unwinding. There's a minute 15 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. Uh, are we a little extended? Maybe. We haven't really had a pullback since 02. So
ACAXU.
time to sit down. I had the mic muted, I think. Okay, now we're good. So here's a pullback. Is this a healthy pullback? I think so. I mean, the 1 minute there's a small wick, but 5-minute looks great. Question is, how low is it gonna go? How low are we gonna go? GG. I'm gonna stick around and see if it holds up on this pullback. I haven't checked in on the Discord. I'll check in right now. Checking in on the Discord. Checking in, checking in. So we got a low of 28. Yeah, that video, I tell you, man. So we got a low of 28, just waiting around to see. 27. There seems to be a few buyers here, but I'll keep waiting. There's about a minute left in the candle. Good couple of cents. Let's see how well it continues to do. Of course, I'll be scalping. That worked out fairly good for those lows, man. Surprised, actually. That worked out very well. It should have actually been more proactive down there. Come on, show us that boost. That boost through the level. So 42, what was I there? 60? Okay. It's brewing. Man, those trades are so frustrating. You're in, there's nothing, no buying. And then as I sell, the buying comes. Son of a gun. Mm-mm-mm. 43 for the high of the current, high of the last, 46 on the one. Yep, let's wait. I'm gonna keep taking small stabs here and there. I might ease off even too, depending. This area isn't bad, but I don't think it's great either. Come on, come on, come on. Aye, aye. Alright, there's a couple cents. Now can we hold the level? I should have flattened there. I could have been scratch trade. Clicking twice took an eternity there, jeez. But that's the rejection of the 5-minute candle to make the new high. We would have wanted to see 55, 60, 65. It might try again. It might try again, but we'll see.